This is AJH welcoming you to Edexemy for another Maths Magic series. In this series, we are going to learn a magical property of number 9 using a number game which amazes your friends.
Now ask your friend to write any two-digit number secretly without showing it to you. If he writes 48, then you ask him to multiply this number by 9. This also he has to do secretly without showing you, and the result will be 48 into 9. He can use the calculator. There is a shortcut method of multiplying any number by 9. We will discuss it in the another video. This answer is 432. Suppose if we hide any one of these digit and if we reveal other two digits, then we can easily find out the digit which has hidden. Suppose he hide the number 2 and reveal to you 4 and 3. What you have to do is just add this 4 plus 3, which is 7, and subtract this 7 from 9, which is equals to 2. Because if you multiply any number by 9, the result, the digit root, if you add this all these digits, it will always be 9. So using this magical properties, so whatever the digit he revealed, you just add it and you subtract it from 9. You reduce it to a single digit. If the answer is 13, then 1 plus 3 is 4. You have to reduce the digit to single digit. Suppose 98 into 9. If he writes 98 and if we multiply by 9, the answer will be 882. If he decides to hide this number 8, then you just add this 8 and 2, which is equal to 10. Then you add this 1 plus 0 again and reduce it to a single digit. So 9 minus 1 is 8 is the digit which he has hidden. So in this way we can easily find. This will look as a magic to your friend. Suppose if he hides 4, then the balance 3 plus 2 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 5. Suppose if he hides 2, then 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Therefore 2 is the number. Suppose we will check it up for a 3-digit number. It will work out for any digit. We will check it up for a 3-digit number. 124 into 9 is 1116. Suppose your friend decides to hide this 6. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Therefore, the answer is 6. Okay. Now, this not only this not only works for only 9, it will also works for multiples of 9. That is 18, 27, 36. If the digit sum is 9, then it will work out. This magic is work out. Suppose 48 into 18. 18 is a multiple of 9. So 2 into 9 is 18. Here 18, 1 plus 8 is 9. Therefore, we will check it up. The answer is 48 into 18 is 864. Suppose if he decides to hide 6, then the balance to 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Therefore, the answer is correct. So, this magic works out for any multiples of 9. It is 18 and 27, 36, 45, 81. Suppose if we multiply 98 by 27, we will get 2646. Suppose if we hides 4, then 6 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 14. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Therefore, the answer is 4. Similarly, we can work out for any multiples of this. You can check it up for yourself.
Using this property, we can easily multiply any number with this multiples of 9. That is 9, 18, 27, 36. All these numbers, when multiplied with some other numbers, there is an easy shortcut. We will see that shortcut in the next video. Until then, this is AJH signing off. Thank you.